Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your PS4 randomly or automatically turning off. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the settings. So let's go to the settings, and basically let's go to the power and savings settings. So power saving settings, click X, and right here you can set the time until PS4 turns off. You can set features available in the rest mode and set time until controllers turn off. So you can set that. For the controller I did set to do not turn off, and let's set time until PS4 turns off. So click right here, and the media playback, it is the video or songs. So if we are watching like videos or listening to songs, it will turn off after 5 hours. So you can choose do not turn off, and for general applications you can select, this is for the games and etc, you can select do not turn off too. And that's pretty much it, guys. So that's how you fix this issue. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.